Welcome to Grammar with Altaf. Today we'll learn correlative conjunctions.
Hi everyone. We will show pairs like either, or, and not only, but also with clear rules.
Correlative conjunctions are paired words that join equal elements, such as two nouns, two verbs, or two clauses. They require balance on both sides.
Common pairs include either, or, neither, nor both, and not only, but also whether, or, and the comparative pairs like the more, the more.
Rule 1. Parallel structure. Each element after the correlative should match in grammatical form. Example: she will either study or work.
If you break parallelism, the sentence sounds wrong. Wrong. She will either study or working. Correct. She will either study or work.
Rule 2. Agreement. When two subjects are joined, match the verb to the nearer subject or recast the sentence. Example: neither the teacher nor the students are ready.
If the nearer subject is singular, use a singular verb. Neither the students nor the teacher is ready. Recasting often avoids awkward forms.
Rule 3. Commas. Usually no comma is required between elements joined with a correlative. Both the manager and the staff attended the meeting.
If a correlative links two independent clauses, use a comma before the second clause. Not only did she pass the exam, but she also received a scholarship.
Rule 4. Emphasis with not only, but also. It can cause inversion for emphasis. Not only did he win, but he inspired others.
In less formal speech, you might say, he not only won, but also inspired others, keeping normal word order and avoiding inversion.
Either or presents alternatives. You can either call me or send a text. Make sure the forms after either and or are parallel.
Neither nor expresses negation. Neither the movie nor the reviews were convincing. Watch verb agreement by proximity to the verb.
Both and includes items together. Both Ali and Sara enjoy painting. It can also link parallel adjectives. She is both talented and hardworking.
Not only, but also adds emphasis and often elevates the second element. She is not only smart, but also kind. Use commas when clauses are involved.
Whether or shows uncertainty or alternatives. I don't know whether he will come or stay. Keep parallel forms. Whether to go or to stay is the question.
Comparative correlatives like the more link proportional ideas. The more you practice, the better you become.
Formal pairs such as scarcely, when, and hardly, when involve inversion and are used in formal registers. Scarcely had she arrived when the show began.
Common mistakes include splitting the pair and breaking parallelism. Wrong. Not only the book, but also reading was fun. Correct. Not only reading the book, but also discussing it was fun.
Also, avoid incorrect pairings such as either and or neither, or use the proper partners, either or and neither, nor.
Watch pronoun case after correlatives. Use subject pronouns for subjects. Both he and I agree.
If correlatives join independent clauses, place a comma. Either we will leave now or we will miss the train.
Practice corrections help. Either the teacher or the students are responsible is better than either the teacher or the students is responsible, because the nearer subject is plural.
Neither the rain nor the wind was a problem is correct because two singular subjects joined by neither nor take a singular verb in this construction.
She not only sings but also dances, keeps verbs parallel. Avoid mixing a verb with a gerund in the paired parts.
Tip: when uncertain, rewrite the sentence to avoid agreement problems. For example, A and B both, or two short sentences can help.
A classroom method is to underline each correlative and then check that the words following are parallel. That visual check quickly reveals mismatches.
Practice items. Correct: both running and to swim are fun too. Both running and swimming are fun. Correct: either call or texting will work to either calling or texting will work.
Ellipsis often omits repeated words in the second part to avoid redundancy. She will either stay home or go to the office shows. Verbs remain parallel or are intentionally repeated.
Placement of modifiers matters. Keep the same modifier type after each part. She sings both loudly and beautifully, pairs two adverbs, and reads smoothly.
Be careful with negatives. Correlative negatives like neither nor cancel each other. Avoid using other negative markers that create double negatives.
When correlative elements are long phrases or clauses, ensure clarity by matching structure and tense. Long constructions often reveal hidden mismatches.
Teach with a progression. Start with noun pairs, then adjectives, then verbs, and finally full clauses, so learners build confidence step by step.
Rewrite wrong examples into correct ones and explain the change. That reflection helps learners notice parallel structure and agreement rules.
Mini quiz. Fill the blanks. The manager nor the assistant available. Pause and think of the correct pair and verb form.
Answer: neither the manager nor the assistant is available. Use neither nor and a singular verb in this instance because of the closer singular noun.
Sample corrections for practice. Either study hard or accept the result. Neither fame nor wealth matters here. Both planning and practice improve skill.
Review each sentence for matching forms, tenses, and verb agreement and clarity. This habit prevents common errors and improves writing.
Remember that not only, but also adds emphasis while both and simply links items. Choose the pair that matches your tone and purpose.
What we have learned in this video: the definition of correlative conjunctions, rules for parallel structure and agreement, punctuation guidance, common pairs, and common errors to avoid. Keep practicing.
Practice aloud and in writing. Try 10 sentences using different correlative pairs each day to build fluency.
Review mistakes, rewrite sentences, and compare both forms. Over time, the correct patterns will feel natural.